Hello and welcome everyone. Now we will learn about the benefits of implementing TPM. TPM implementation is a continuous improvement approach that requires time, cost, and various other resources. Now we need to put extra effort and invest various other resources to successfully implement TPM. Despite the above investments, TPM is known to bring great benefits to organizations, and we will learn about some of these in our coming slides. The very first one is TPM improves equipment reliability. Now, high reliability means more availability. Now with autonomous maintenance, then with planned maintenance, then with using high quality spare parts, and involving trained technicians and better work methods will lead to increased reliability. And with this we will have very less breakdowns, and we can simply depend on our production system without any fear. Then TPM will increase or enhance machine capacity. Now, enhanced machine capacity means can produce more quantity. This means the volume. Now with strategies like quality maintenance and working on continuously improving the production system, this means with Kobetsu Kaizen, will increase or enhance the production or machine capacity. The third one is TPM will lead to increased machine life. Now, machine life means durability. So, strategies such as autonomous maintenance, this means taking more care of the machine with all the level 1 type of maintenance. This means daily cleaning, then continuous lubricating, then regularly fixing small issues, and simply adapting things like this means we are taking more care of our machines. And then with proper planned maintenance on regular basis have proven to increase machine life. Now let's say there's a production line or some machine, and this is the standard machine life or the machine life defined by the equipment manufacturer. And to achieve this, maybe we need to follow the maintenance plan provided by the equipment manufacturer. Now let's say this is 10 years. And let's say if you did not follow any maintenance protocols or strategies, then maybe this will reduce to like 5 or 6 years. Then maybe with autonomous maintenance and then regular planned maintenance and maybe with some amount of design modifications, we can increase the machine life. So let's say if we can increase this to like 12 years, then this period is simply the bonus operating period, and we can exclude the machine depreciation calculations for this period. TPM will improve product quality. Now, a well-maintained production setup and any highly optimized and robust system will rarely produce defective products or simply will not produce defective products. And TPM have shown increased employee satisfaction. Now, involving the production staff for maintenance makes them feel that they are learning new skills and being transformed to a valuable skill labor. So simply, they will have a good feeling of working and some recognition also. Then providing continuous training to the technical staff makes them feel that they are always learning something new and the job is dynamic. So, in both of these cases, the employees will be satisfied with what they are doing and they will be more engaged with the job. And TPM converts the plant to a safety-rich environment. Now, improved safety means less or no accidents. Now we know safety is a pillar of TPM, and involving the 6S system with the TPM process will lead to a safety-rich environment. Now we have come to the end of this lesson, and thank you very much for being with us.